Hello everybody! IDENTYTEC is a system integrator and manufacturer of hardware and software products. We automate the ordering and delivering processes in the manufacturing industry. With our solutions, we organize material replenishment and production for small and large load carriers. We can completely replace the manual and error-prone ordering and delivering processes in the production line with system-guided automated solutions. This generates massive saving potentials. This is a huge benefit also given the current pandemic. COVID-19 poses major challenges for almost all companies. Many production sites around the world are fighting to maintain them. That is why we believe that it's even more important in these times not to let potential go unused. We are convinced that we can make an important contribution. Due to the current situation, traveling and on-site visits to our customers are difficult, if not even impossible. But with our cloud-based system solutions, we can counter these problems perfectly. If the situation does not make an on-site visit possible, we can implement our system completely online for you. You don't need to wait for the situation to improve. We can help you today to generate and saving your potentials. Contact us. We are represented with our own location on 3 continents, and our system solutions are installed by well-known companies in 18 countries worldwide. Please visit our website IDENTYTEC.com. We are looking forward to your feedback. Until then, stay healthy.